You don't have to sell all the BOLO brands to make money. Bread and butter sells. What's up, guys? It is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $1,000 a week selling bread and butter. Let's get right into it. Alright, before we get started, a few definitions if you're new to this channel. Sell-through rate is going to be how many items you've sold out of how many items that are for sale. This is helpful because we're going to be looking at some eBay terapeak data to help you figure out how to hit this $1,000 goal, as well as knowing your own numbers so you can look at brands that you already have access to and figure this out for yourself. Average sale price is going to be, on average, how much are these items selling for? These bread and butter brands, on average, what are they selling for? So in terapeak, I am looking at just a very generic, basic bread and butter brand. This is going to vary. I mean, it depends on what you sell, but for me, I sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses. You can look up anything and get these stats on terapeak. One of the reasons I love terapeak, it can also help you source better, but I just put in J. Crew dress. It's a very bread and butter brand. Most people can find it. And you come down here and you can see the average sale price. I did limit this to 7 days because we're looking at making $1,000 a week. So if you want to look at different time periods or even a custom time period, you can do that. On average, J. Crew dresses for the past 7 days are selling for $26.19. The sell-through rate is 1%. Before we get into using this information to make $1,000 a week, if you guys like learning how to make money reselling, looking at strategic decisions, making those strategic decisions, make sure to hit that subscribe button. These strategies, my content, it works for everybody from side hustle to full-time seller, from hard goods to collectibles. It doesn't matter because I'm just talking numbers. If you like this video, do make sure to give it a like for me. Leave comments down below for sure, and share it on social media. Tag me, Sarah Styles LLC, on all social media platforms. I do have courses that go really in depth into this, but the golden formula for resellers essentially is how much money you make. It's a formula to figure out how much money you make. If you remember 7th grade math or vaguely remember it, once you have a formula, you can manipulate it to get the variable that you want on your own. For the purpose of this video, we want the gross revenue, so we don't have to manipulate it. And essentially, so here's the golden formula for resellers. Your sell-through rate times your active listings, that's how much have sold out of how many that you have, times your average sale price. So how many you sold times how much they're selling for equals your gross revenue. You come down, if you don't like math, this template is down below. It is a pay-as-you-like template, so you can plug in any numbers that you want and figure out these numbers for yourself. If you find value in it, I do have a buy me a coffee. Eventually, hopefully, I'll get super thanks on my YouTube channel. You can send something that way, gross revenue. You come down here, these charts, or these numbers right here, are editable. Editable, is that a word? Are editable, and you can come in here. You can see I put 1% sell-through rate. We're looking at the J. Crew example. So the sell-through rate for J. Crew is 1%. Average sale price, as we looked up on terapeak, is $26.19. You have 3,725 active listings, and that will make you $1,000 a week. The Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard will do this all for you. It will look at all of the platforms that you sell on, all of the inventory that you have, your historical sell-through rate, your historical average sale price, and you can put in and say, hey, this is how much money I want to make. I have mine set at $10,000, and this is exactly what I need to do based off of my historical data. Gives you a various different scenarios based off of your current average sale price. My average sale price tends to be right around $40. And so it's saying, hey, Sarah, I can go up and I can sell. If I increase my average sale price, this is what I can do. I can say, hey, it's too hard to find items, and decrease my average sale price a little bit, sell more bread and butter. This is what exactly I have to do, how many items I have to sell, what my average sale price needs to be, and how many active listings I need to have to make the money that I want to make. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I'll link some more reseller analytics and how to make money reselling videos here, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.